So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the WhatsApp's 24 hours chat disappearing problem if you have been facing on your phones. Now it's a latest feature that WhatsApp had introduced to increase the privacy. That means your chats will disappear after 24 hours and you can easily turn that option as off as well. Now in order to do it, simply open the WhatsApp, go to WhatsApp settings. It will look something like this. Now here you need to go to this option of privacy right there, and in the privacy you need to scroll down until you see this option of disappearing messages that says default message timer. Simply click on this option, and here in your case it might be set to 24 hours or 7 days or 90 days. You simply need to turn this option off so that your chats will remain for infinite time there until you manually delete all. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.